Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to review quiz number 12. Question number 1. All of the following are tips for a great presentation except for, and the correct answer is use a variety of animations on most slides to keep the people's attention. All right? So while this answer is correct, it's also important that when you're getting ready for your presentations, that you are don't make it too busy, right? So you don't want to use the same thing. You don't want to be boring. You want to have a different amount, but you don't want to have it so busy that it's the animations that they're talking about rather than the presentation you're talking about. So next. Question 2. What is a good rule to follow to avoid plagiarism? And the answer is, when in doubt, cite your source. And that's the best rule, right? So you always want to make sure that if you're not sure if you should cite it, then you should go ahead and cite it. You typically will not lose points for citing something that you shouldn't have. Question number 3. It is important to realize the spell check feature will not find all data entry mistakes, so you will need to use an additional blank methods to ensure accuracy of the data. And the answer is proofreading. D. Next one, question 4. Blank is a background color that appears behind the text in a page or a table. And the answer is shading. C. Question 5. The key that defines the colors assigned to the categories of a chart is called a legend. Question 6. A line chart is useful for showing trends over time. The answer is true. Question 7. It is not possible to apply a color theme to an individual form. And the answer is false. Question 8. Which of the following smart art graphic categories would be best to show a timeline? Select one. And the answer is D, process. Question 9. Microsoft Office's blank box enables you to search for help information about a command or task, and it's tell me what you want to do. Question 10. The number of pixels displayed on a screen is known as the screen resolution. A. Question 11. When you compress files, you are unzipping them. The answer is false. You're actually zipping them. Question 12. Scaling reduces the blank size of printed data by a percentage or by a number of pages you specify, and that is horizontal and vertical. A blank text is a graphic that displays behind a text, and the answer is watermark. To correct a potential spelling, grammatical, or word error error in a document, you underline the underlined error and make a selection. The answer is A, right click. Question 15. Sparklines are tiny charts that fit within a cell, given a visual trend summary alongside your data, and that's true. Question 16. A graphic image can be inserted into the background of a chart. The answer is true. Was 17. To change the document's orientation, you begin by clicking the blank tab on the layout ribbon. Question 18. A line chart can only have one line. The answer is false. Question 19. A defined set of formatting characteristics such as font, font size, font color are known as, and the answer is cell style. And last question, sparklines are tiny charts located within a cell that provide visual trend of summary of data, and the answer is true. Thank you very much. Make sure you're studying these for your for your final theory assessment.